Welcome to a Key Smash Studios tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Intellisense working with Unity. If you're watching this video, I assume that you're having issues inside your IDE with getting it to auto-populate Unity-based values. So for instance, if you were to type this and then do dot, normally it would give you Unity suggestions here like game object, but if Intellisense isn't working with Unity, then those things won't pop up. So to go ahead and fix those, we're going to go to our editor, go up to edit, go down to preferences, and then you want to make sure you have external tools selected. With the external script editor, you're going to drop this down and select the IDE that you're wanting to use with Unity. So I'm going to do my Visual Studios 219, and it's going to take a second to load, and then it should default to embedded in local packages checked. If you need other ones, be sure to check those as well. So now if we go ahead and close this out and open our script back up, and then we go in and we type in our this and then do dot, you can see that it's auto-populating Unity-based values. So I could go ahead and do game object or whatever I wanted that's Unity-based. So that's all for this video. As a recap, I just showed you where in your settings you can change the script editor that you'll be using for Unity so that way you can activate Intellisense with Unity. As always, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments, or you can join our Discord and ask them there. We make videos here every Wednesday and Saturday, but we also stream games on Twitch Tuesdays and Fridays. We have a game on the Google Play Store called Blast Off, and we have an asset pack of kids' toys on the Unity Store. We also have a Patreon that has a YouTuber supporter tier. If any of those things interest you or you'd like to support us in any of those ways, I will link all those things in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.